Here I am cutting this tree that had fallen, and I'm making some progress in the cut with this machine. It's kind of light duty, not heavy duty. I think these chains are garbage, and this whole tool is garbage. I think we need like one of those table saws, but a big one, like a machine that's like a ton, to do a clean cut without a chain, without all this oil and shit, without all this gasoline. It would just be powered through electricity. Now, if electricity is not present, then gasoline could power it without the oil. Like tree lumber companies that have those robots that go and they have like the table saw thing, and the blade is spinning, and they grab it, and as they grab it, it's already cut. They pick it up, and they're able to load that thing in the vehicle, in the truck or whatever. This here, the chain falls. You have to sharpen it, wasting oil, gasoline, resources, oil everywhere, oil guts. So yeah, I'm thinking table saw type of thing, machine. And even like, say it went vertically, what if it were able to go horizontally for a horizontal cut as well, or even 45-degree angle down so the tree could fall, flip it over and do the horizontal, but the machine vertical cuts when the tree's laying down to chop it up. I think it would be a much faster process, because right here we're doing like, I don't know what that is, but I mean, that is like 20 or a quarter of an inch, because an inch is like this big. So yeah, that's like a quarter, not half an inch, but like a quarter of an inch cut. The table saw would be 4 times smaller than that cut. So I would have probably been done already. So my friend spent like $30 on the gasoline and the oil right now. If we had the other machine, it would be like $30 for an hour. I would have been done. I would have been moving on to the other trees. But fucking piece of shit toy. This is fucking kids fucking play. And not even. It's fucking dangerous as fuck. Chain could fall, you could fucking chop your dick off. Split your fucking pussy in 4 ways and shit. So, yeah, not to get too graphic, but the goal, like the sticky things, someone invented the fucking nail thing. Instead of making a nail, you just stick something on there and your shit hangs. The end result, all you fucking want is this shit to be cut. So that's all you fucking need. That's all you want. So why mess with all this other bullshit? Like, what the fuck?